Model engine kits are a great method for modelers to personalize their creations while also having a good time. There are so many different model engines on the market that deciding which one is right for you might be difficult. This video will go through some of the most popular model engine kits, so you'll know what to anticipate when you go out to buy your next kit. Try this V8 if you're seeking a motorized model engine kit. A functional electric motor, light-up spark plugs, engine noises, and automatic shutoff are all included in this model kit. There's a lot of detail in this completely functional model, and it comes with a very thorough instruction booklet with step-by-step instructions and illustrations that are simple to put together. There are about 250 pieces in all. This is a fantastic model kit for beginner to expert modelers age 12 and up who want to learn more about how an internal combustion engine works. The crankshaft, crank pulley, connecting rods, pistons, wrist pins, camshafts, timing sprockets, timing belt, cooling fan belt, rocker arms, valves, and valve springs are among the primary mechanical components placed into the engine block by the builder. This model of a jet engine is a simplified representation of a genuine jet engine. It's supposed to look like a plane's jet engine and will be a lot of fun to put together. A variety of transparent pieces are included in the kit, making it a useful tool for learning how a full-size 2-spool turbofan engine operates. The kit comes with everything you'll need to put the functional model together, as well as a full instruction booklet with step-by-step directions. Sounds like a real jet engine. Ages 10 and up are recommended. The BMW R9s was one of the most iconic bikes of the 1970s, and many believe it to be one of the best motorcycles ever built. You may make a clear working replica of the classic 2-cylinder flat engine with this kit. It also includes the original engine sound, which was captured from a real R90 flat 6 engine. There's no need for glue because everything is held together with screws and a tool is supplied. This model is extremely realistic both inside and out, and it will not let you down. Extremely well made and precise. Everything is in place. Even more impressive, the gearbox changes through all 5 ratios. With this model kit, you'll be able to create a clear, working model of the legendary V8 engine from the 1965 Ford Mustang. This is a 1:3 scale model with around 200 components. All of the model's pieces move just like they do on the original life-size model, and the 271 horsepower engine produces realistic sounds. No adhesive is necessary to assemble the components, which may be done either as interlocking pieces or with screws. This kit includes a 100-page guidebook with top-notch information and several breathtaking drawings that will walk you through the construction process. It's best if you're at least 14 years old. This kit will teach you how to operate a steam engine, which is something that all model and engine enthusiasts should know. Steam aficionados can see how nostalgic energy is produced with this Plays Train steam engine model kit. The engine is running, the whistle is blowing, the lights are turning on and off, and genuine steam is blowing. This model is suitable for children aged 10 and up.